Cut 600 gram chicken by this way. Take half teaspoon salt and 1/3 cup sour yogurt and marinate the recipe. Cover the meat at normal temperature for 10 minutes. After that, take a fry pan, pour 1/3 cup oil on the fry pan, heat the oil, and then we have to give 3 bay leaves, 4 pieces of cinnamon, 5 small cardamom, 2 to 3 chilies and clove. Spare the chopping onion, then shake the recipe till the color came pretty red, and then half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garlic paste, and then take some water and throw the recipe and shake the recipe properly. And then shake the recipe with 1/3 cup cow's boiled milk. Then give the salt as your taste buds. Then shake the recipe very properly. Then we have to give again 1/3 cup cow's boiled milk and shake it again and again. Half teaspoon hot spices, half cup onion paste, 1 teaspoon raisin paste, 1 teaspoon ghee, or you guys can use butter, and then we have to give the marinated meat to the fry pan and then shake the recipe very properly, and then cover the fry pan, and after some time we have to give 2 cup of cow's boiled milk to the fry pan. Then crack black cardamom and then pair 5 to 6 raw pepper above to the meat, and again pair 6 to 7 crushed nut above the recipe. We have to give again 1 teaspoon ghee and then cover the recipe, and then pair the making beresta to the recipe at the proportion of 2 fish. Beresta means onion fry, which you have to do before you're making this recipe. Cover it 1 or 2 minutes. Stir the recipe very properly. When you see that the meat totally cooked and came this type of color of your recipe at fry pan, then you have understood that your recipe almost done. It's ready to serve. So as fast as possible serve it. Thank you guys for hearing me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button again. Till then, take care. Bye.